Guys, tingnan nyo ang labas ng Saudi. Kung dyan sa Pilipinas, sobrang baha, maulan, mahangin. Dito, sobrang init. Yung hangin, mainit. Paglalabas ka, salubong ka sa hangin, mainit. Sobrang init. Mainit. Tapos alikabok, sunstorm. May sofa na kami dito sa office. Ay, hindi pala yan. Balik. Yan siya, oh. May sofa na kami. Ayan. Ayan siya, si Ali. May sofa na kami. Dati wala yan eh. Ngayon meron na. Ay, nako. Mainit. Mainit sa labas. Mainit na mali. Yan, nakikita nyo yung madilim. Alikabok yan eh. Sunstorm. Kaya kailangan namin, katulad ko, kailangan ko ng mask. Kasi naglalakad ako tuwing umaga.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله. نعم نعم عندي هنا الاعتراف. طب أنا بالله أنا مشكلة في الدنيا مو لكن لما نسأل خزانة في الماء. فطاقم وعليك عند القريب. عند اللي خلقه عند اللي يفوق.
Sunstorm yan guys. Nakikita nyo yung madilim na yan. Sunstorm. Mainit. Mainit, malikabok. Nakikita na naka-zoom. Naka-zoom yung baba. Yan.
والله صار اليوم ولا برا أصلا بحث عشان سيارة وتأخذ لك عند في الجميع.
Klarong-klaro yung baba, oh. Naka-zoom. Tingnan niyo guys yung sofa. Tingnan niyo yung sofa.
Oh my god! Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's leather.
Yeah. Also, the leg.
It's good.
Yeah.
And eat there, you sit there.
Yeah.
Okay with him?
Yeah. He asked us to do something for the restroom
It's good.
when we have guests.
Sit
But
here.
we have changed the garbage. This chair through.
I don't know. Big Boss, he said he will fix that one. I don't know when.
No, yeah, I know. He didn't say that.
We need also a small table.
Yeah, we will bring a small table and then we will put for salah. Not like this.
That one, it's good. Just only wash.
Yeah.
Put in the laundry area that one, so it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Also, if you try it, you can take nap.
Hada.
He said that?
You will.
You said? No, it's nice. I have to put small pillow.
No need. How? Pillow?
Yeah, pillow. It's big.
No need to put pillow. This one's pillow. If you put something here, they will sleep.
I choose this color. Muhammad sent to me.
Mm.
I choose this.
It's good because you know, it's not easy to be dirty.
Yeah.
If you put white, it's
Yeah.
dirty, and white also you will black. You will see the dirty also.
Yeah, also we choose leather because it's easy to clean if something.
Same na the big boss
Yeah.
is.
Yeah,
It's good.
it's good. We have to put
Base.
No,
Aywa. Base.
3.
Yara tali na. Yeah, you will eat. What's that chicken? Chicken is live.
will put something here, and then here they will pray, and then here.
That
they will-
area is for praying.
Yeah.
جميل الكنب.
ايوه.
You like also, Mustafa?
ما شاء الله he start talking.
No, you will talk. Uy,
First time I heard
Wala.
him talk. Yeah.
there talk. We talk.
He said it's beautiful.
We need to. You must tell to be posted through that one.
Yeah, we will try. والله.
Tell to mo sa through.
خلاص. Done today.
But because it said
No, والله it's okay. It's okay.
ولا؟
والله. I talked with Muhammad Saad.
Mm.
Also put something here. How I left this company. My home.
Too much rice. That one chicken rice.
But this, I think this is not the floor.
They will remove this one. See?
Why they move?
When they carry that one, this further.
They have to put something here.
Yeah. That one.
Let them put.
Open. Chicken.
Yes. يلا يا تعالي.
I'm full. I eat rice. Ito yung tinatawag nila guys na supra. Supra?
ما
Yeah, supra. Ito
ما
yung...
في ما تطور.
I will, don't worry, Big Boss, he will see this video, he will give you tawla. Don't worry. Muna, ma fi mushkila muna.
لا بابا.
Aywa, no problem. Inshallah. Ayan, kanin. White rice.
وايد؟ مش عايزين وايد عايزين
Ada kabsa.
ها؟
Kabsa sa?
بالخمسة.
Kabsa. Baliw. Brown rice.
اوه وات دي ناكل من هنا. احب انا ده مضغوط ايمان.
Ganyan sila kakain guys. Ayan o, may chicken.
يس مصري.
مظبوط.
You will eat all that
كنا
one?
في بعض.
That's why you are...
لا كده ما حلو. كان لخبطناهم مع بعض.
See?
اخبطهم ازاي اهو.
You see? Mustafa and Ibrahim. Ganyan sila kakain guys. Ano? What's this?
سلطة.
And this one?
سلطة.
Salad all?
دي اهو ايوه حار
Hot?
حار شطة سبايسي.
Oh, hot, spicy.
دي لا لبن ملك.
Mm.
اللي جايب المحل يا مصطفى اللي بديك البضاعة دي.
You will finish all that one?
وين عندك؟
Ali, tali.
تمام.
Thank you.
دي معلقة.
لا ادي الإيمان انت شوية رز هنا. تعال مان. إيمان بتحب الوايت. الوايت.
Yeah, she's Dubba.
شيل
You see?
Yeah, Dubba.
You will see.
شوف يلا.
Tignan niyo sila guys, bibigyan na ako nilang kanin white rice. What?
كويس كمان.
Kalas! Why you give me no I need?
Because you are Dubba.
Ana Esh?
Dubba.
Nano ba?
Fat.
يلا.
Tingnan niyo, bibigyan nila akong kanin.
This is for diet.
Diet?
Yeah, it's cooked with nuts oil with زبدة بالإنجليزي إيش يعني؟
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yeah, that one.
Butter إيه زيت butter yeah sweet butter.
اقفل البركة ما تطلع بقى.
No calories.
ها؟
No calories. Okay, man.
Yala eat
يلا take this one.
too much. I will not eat. Oy, diet.
Yeah, no problem. You will live only one time. Only one time.
But you told me I'm duba. And then
No,
you
no,
will
no,
give me
no,
rice
no.
with chicken?
I'm not there. You know why you are Dubba now? Take.
Thank you. See? Yala eat. Thank you.
Close the door. You want close the door.
Yala, enjoy eating.
Yeah.
Ayoko sana kumain. Hindi ka ng pagkain. Ayoko kumain. Busog ako. Kumain ako ng tinapay. Ito. Mahirap tanggihan ng grasya. Baka magalit sila. Alam nila mahilig ako sa kanin. Kaya binigyan nila ako. Nakikita nila akong kumakain ng kanin dito. So, binigyan nila ako ng grasya. Ayun, sarap. Ayan. Okay na yan. Ibabalot ko yan mamaya. So yun lang guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Ingat po tayo palagi. Kasi mainit, maulan dyan sa Pilipinas at dito sa amin. Mainit sobra. Ingat. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.